Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads. So before I get started, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you are interested in scaling your online business and taking it to the next level, make sure that you subscribe to my channel today. I upload weekly videos about Etsy, social media, branding, and much more. So make sure that you subscribe today. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a short tutorial, but a really good one for you guys. So the reason why you might want to spy on your competitor is to kind of see what they're doing. And this is something that big companies do to each other. You know, bigger companies, for instance, like Jenny Craig and Weight Watchers, they actually see what each other ads are looking and what they're running to kind of get an idea of what's working, what doesn't work. And this is something that you should be used to doing by now if you have not started, which is see what your competitors are actually doing. It's very, very important not only to get inspired by it or maybe learn something from them, but also to have your own ideas and make them better than them. So make sure that you use this as a way to, start understanding how they market themselves and maybe how you could improve your marketing technique as well. So this is a very simple process that I'm going to show you. So for instance, let's say Etsy, right, is my competitor for my channel, and I want to see what type of ads are running. Now, in this feature only lets you see the current ads for this particular month. So right now we're in April. So if you wanted to check March, maybe February, January, or last year ads, you're not able to see them unless you follow them and you subscribe to their emails and maybe you follow them so you've seen the ads through the news feed. However, the method that I'm showing you today only shows you the current ads for that particular month. So you could do this every month and just go back and check what they're doing monthly, maybe take a screenshot and save them in a folder. That way you could kind of see what they currently do like within the next 6 months or so. That's normally what I do for my competitors. So basically all you have to do is you go to their Facebook homepage. So this is Etsy's homepage right here. And all you have to do is you will click down here. It says info and ads. The reason why you're able to see what particular ads they're currently running is because Facebook provides or tries to be as transparent as possible with ads. That way there's no confusion, and by law they have to be. They have to tell you which posts are regular posts and which posts are sponsored ads. So if you click here where it says info and ads, give it a few seconds. Depending on how many ads they have, it could take a little bit longer to process. And this is basically all their current ads that they're currently running for the month of April. We're in April right now. So another way that you know it's an ad is right here. It says sponsorship, sponsored. So if you see the word sponsored, whether you're looking through info and ads, or maybe you were looking through their news feed and you saw an ad, whether it's Etsy or your competitor or someone else, you know that it's an ad because it will say sponsored. And these are all the current ads that they're currently running at the current moment. So all of these are ads. And this is a great way to kind of see what they're doing, what type of wording they're putting. These are the majority of these ads. So this is like a regular ad. These are called carousel ads, which you could put multiple different listings on them. And every link goes to that particular item. So if I click here, it will go to the flowers. And if I click here, it will go to the bathroom apparel. If I click here, it will go to the watch. So it goes to that particular item. These are ads that you could run. As you can see, I clicked on it and it took me to the flowers because that's the one I clicked on. If I click on this one, it's going to take me to the shower. So these are particular ads that you could cater in through Facebook ads, and you could do 10 of them in carousel. So yeah, this is kind of the style that they actually uses a lot, which is the carousel ads. And yeah, and then this is another ad that they currently have. This is another ad. So they're running a lot of ads for the month of April, as you could see. And yeah, so this is a quick way to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads. I actually promote that you start doing this. It's very helpful because it's going to tell you what type of ads they do. And if you analyze it for the next 6 months, you can see which ones they do all the time. Majority of the time, if there's very successful company or they're bigger than you, and they're doing a certain type of ad, is because it works. So all you have to do is kind of do the same type of ad, but you put your items in the ad. So if you wanted to do a carousel ad of your items, then you would do that, and you would place all your items. But I did want to show you this quick trick that you could do on Facebook. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Guys, remember, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and like this video. Leave me a comment below if this video was something new that you learned today. If you know of any tricks of spying on your competitors' Facebook ads, make sure you leave a comment below. We're always trying to learn from each other. And I'm always trying to learn from everyone as well. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.